You can find me on the internet as Rockpool Dramas. The rest of the band couldn't make it. I'm gonna do a new song. It's a night of new material. I was at an event last night where I listened to two people talking about the benefits of bonding over throwing up after doing ayahuasca. And I was like, that's pretty intense. Like, why don't you guys just go get a beer instead? It's kind of a song about that. Sat on the stool that hangs in the balcony, smoking the last of your shit. Covered with a book on music theory from when I was 16, trying to be anything. And I was a little sincere and a little too emo, a little too vague and a little too eager. In opposite states we communicate through satellite. In opposite states, well, I'll see you tonight. The room was too bright and the sound was bad. The first one I had was outside the waterworks. There were old men drinking their bodies' worth. And standing outside, I see them tonight. But I was a little sincere and a little too emo, a little too strange and a little too new. In opposite states we communicate through satellite. In opposite states, well, I'll see you tonight. Well, trying to flirt when trying and failing, all of my friends there good people. It's right, quiet reading all of the big stuff that keeps them from seeping into the real world. And they're a little sincere and a little too emo, a little too vague and a little too eager. In opposite states we communicate through satellite. In opposite states, well, I'll see you tonight. At Our Lady of the Pins or the bar on the rails, down at Mile End or out by the Huntsman. In your long leather coat and your flame-adorned cowboy boots. In opposite states, well, I'll see you tonight. 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 People think songs need to be long. Songs need to be short. You got 60 seconds. Got any Replacements fans in the audience?
Yeah, yeah.
This isn't a cover, it's another song about a different band. To walk the streets of Rome or some other city like it. The camera would be in black and white, the film noir just the way we always liked it. The sun would shine forever, living in a continental daydream. Soon out to the sounds of water, living forever frozen in that dream. You can't live for nothing forever. You can't live for nothing forever. You can't live for nothing forever. But I'm gonna try. Platinum blonde, talking Italian. It doesn't really matter what that means. Platinum blonde, oh, you can't live without them. But it doesn't mean a thing to me. The ground beneath our feet is moving as the earth turns beneath us. On a silver screen, there's nothing but static between us. The sun would shine forever, living in our continental daydream. Spacing out to the sounds of the cool water, staying forever frozen in that scene. You can't live for nothing forever. Can't live for nothing forever. You can't live for nothing forever. But I'm gonna try, oh. Platinum blonde, talking Italian. Doesn't really matter what that means. Platinum blonde, oh, you can't live without them. But it doesn't mean a thing to me. It doesn't mean a thing to me. Oh, it doesn't mean a thing to me. It doesn't mean a thing to me. It doesn't mean a thing to me. To me, to me, to me, to me, This is another, what I'm going to dare to call a fan favorite. Hold the door, kitchen wall, fuck the war, you voted go. You were talking kinda big back then, but I could tell that it was all pretend. Throw the ball, change the score. Now you're walking through an office door. Tailor-made trying to fabricate first class, flying on the plane, but I'll regret it and I'll forget it on the floor. You said that I've got more regrets than I had gold. That faded, no more soul. I'm jaded, I've got more regrets than I can take. Hold the door, shut the door. Your friends left with all our furniture. You tried a joke, I didn't find it very funny. So bohemian till the conversation turns to money. Keeping score, playing poor, smoking cigarettes and ashing on my floor. Doing less so you can keep talking Dostoevsky. Heard your family just bought another house out in the country. But I'll forget it and I'll regret it on the floor. You said that I've got more regrets than I had gold. That faded, no more soul. I'm jaded, I've got more regrets than I can take. Oh, I've got more regrets than I can take. And we've got more regrets than we can take. Going towards the end. Not quite yet. Oh, say my name again.
There's more people now.
There's more people now. Multiple dramas, you can find it anywhere.
What was that song just now?
That's a song called Big Talk.
Okay, thank you.
The Spotify version doesn't have the second verse on it, because that was before my ex-roommate stole all my furniture from me. That's one for them, and I know you didn't read Dostoevsky, by the way. Oh yeah, another one. We've got any Wilco fans in the audience? Not the Wilco song.
All right.
This is a new one as well.
Stage manager.
Spider webs of wires hang above my eyeline, and a low-level skyline on a concrete plane, luminous and glowing, of my phone through the rain. My fingers cannot get through to punch in a refrain, pushing the numbers pushing back. The film reel keeps on running and cuts to black. of drinks are flowing in the cafe in the square. The manager is yelling, his favorite waitress isn't there, and I'm the busboy in the corner, breaking glasses till they break. Turn your mind to a contortion, an hour, a month, a year, a day. Whilst Gei't Dynamite is struggling to find a way to act, the limelight of his youth wanes in his hands, and there's no use complaining. Well, this situation's wet, and my shoes are soaking wet, and I'm thinking how I still probably want you back, but it's all circumstantial. We rock and then we roll. Now we live under God's camera. I let the big man take control. I let the big man take control. Alright, maybe I'll do, where's the man? It's not in my eyeline. So I'm going to do 2 more songs. Once again, Steve, look at me, say what your name is. Rockpool Dramas, find it on the internet. I've done it enough, that's the last time.
What do you say?
You gotta say it at the end.
Oh.
Oh, we're going to say at the end, Rockpool Dramas, which is the band name because it's a segment of a Blue Planet episode, and I wanted to take the name before anyone else got it.
You just stole it from David.
Yes. A great artist steals. Oh, one more. I've got another question, actually. Any Fearless Brothers fans in the audience?
It's not that song.
No, none? Oh, one. Well, this one's for you. This is a cover. Down on the street, I got someone I really want you to meet. In good time, like all things, a prayer for a plum. Up all night, waiting for the mail to come in a lightless window. I've been afraid to depend on love, so it's fairly well, my friend. I'll see you in the promised land, where the wind is laughter, and that house we never made is waiting in the desert shade, happily ever after. Down on the street, I've got someone I really want you to meet. In good time, like all things, set into place. Take my heart and stuff it in a pillowcase. It's been still for hours. We can get high down on oak grow and watch as the lights explode. And I can get lost if you want me to. So it's fare thee well, my friend. I'll see you in the promised land, where the wind is laughter, and that home we never made is waiting in the desert shade, happily ever after. Like bird on broken wing, I've been so afraid to sing all my life. I've wanted in this violent world that spins. I've been so afraid to live by the lights of God. One more? Idiots in your leather jackets and glasses, I bet I could still pick all your asses. Harry, I had a thought, if I know the old band up, maybe we can give this thing a real shot. So let's get the old band back together again. Let's get back in the room and let the magic happen. Let's get the old band back together. Let's get the old band back together. And after the baby, everything changed. I only have a couple of nights these days. And I'm glad that I came, I really like the new name. But with Adam on bass, it really doesn't feel the same. So let's get the old band back together again. Let's get back in the room and let the magic happen. Let's get the old band back together. Let's get the old band back together. Let's get the old band back together. I've been gigging around, it's really bumming me out, 'cause nobody seems to wanna play it fucking loud. So let's get the old band back together again. Let's get back in the room and let the magic happen. Let's get the old band back together. Let's get the old band back together. Let's get the old band back together. Thank you very much. So on your phone, your music streaming platform of choice, type in local dramas and then listen to like one song. And then that's enough for me. Yes.